Recessed single bottom track installation. The new recessed single bottom track serves for installing partitions with standard system doors. It is perfect for narrow-framed Nova and Wave systems. Prepare the grooves for the bottom track according to the system and profile type. You can install a bottom track positioner or dust protection gasket. Fix the track to the chipboard panel or to the floor. The protruding part is just 1.7 millimeters. Install the doors in a cupboard or a doorway. The split between the floor and the door is just 2 millimeters. The bottom track is almost invisible in a sliding door wardrobe.